Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the pop-up gallery. Here's another pop-up video that might be interesting for you to try today. It's very simple and so easy to follow. So get ready. Let's do it together. This is just a small pop-up card. The height of this card is 5.75 inches with the length of 8 inches. Then we have the small paper with the length of 4 inches and the height of 1.75 inches. From this small paper, fold almost half of it to make a tab. Then, at one end, create a triangular fold like this, from the tip of one corner of the paper. After that, create a slanting fold starting from the center point by holding both tabs left and right and pull it inward. Then, when the creases are already made, cut this part of the paper out, leaving the tabs. So now, to achieve the vertical movement and to find the right balance of this tab, paste this tab by aligning the slanting fold of the paper with the center crease of the card. It should look like this. Okay, to make sure that you won't make mistake, fold this paper like this. Then put glue on the tab and close the card and let it be pasted naturally onto the card. Alright, perfect! As you can see, we now have the tab for the vertical movement. let's add some more tabs. This paper strip has no exact measurement. It only depends on you as long as it doesn't stick out of the card. Fold this part as a tab. No exact measurement. Then, another fold with the same height of the first tab we made earlier. They must be in the same height because we're going to attach this blue tab onto the pink tab. Then, make another small fold as a tab for pasting at the other end. With a glue, fold this tab like this so that it will be pasted naturally onto the card. Yay, that's great! We can also add some more element on the left side. lang, it's amazing, right? This is now our pop-up card with a vertical movement. How's yours, pop-uppers? Did you do it well? I'm sure you did, and you can always do it. Fighting! Thank you so much, pop-uppers. See you again in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!